Good morning to all of you. Today I am here before you to enlighten you all about the importance of games and sports. Sports is an important aspect of everybody's life that helps in improving our health as well as enriching our personality with good qualities like discipline, hard work, patience, respect, and teamwork. It teaches us to overcome failures, makes us humble, stimulates competitive behavior, enhances our social relationship, develops spirit of sportsmanship, art of managing the time, respect authority and rules. It is very important for every human being to make sports an integral part of his life. National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th of August every year on birth anniversary of legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand with aim to spread awareness on the importance of sports to stay fit and healthy. Major Dhyan Chand led India to 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936 and scored over 400 goals in 22 years. He was also honored with India's third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, in 1956. I think this is the right occasion to discuss the benefits of sports, encrypted in 5 S's. These 5 S's of sports are stamina, strength, speed, skill, and spirit. The general benefits of playing sports are better sleep, strong heart, improved lung functioning, boosting of immunity, better body coordination, increase in confidence level, reduced stress, improved mental health, and developing the leadership qualities. Playing sports can also help in controlling emotions, conflict management, leading to accept the failure is a part of sports. The ability to fail and learn from setbacks and again rise and move forward is a vital life skill that sport teaches us. This is called as learning of tenacity. National Sports Day marks the journey of all the athletes and players who contributed their full efforts in making India proud like Neeraj Chopra, Mirabai Chanu, Ravi Dahaiya, PV Sindhu, Bajrang Punia, Lavlina Borgohain, hockey men's team, and in Tokyo Paralympics rather, Sumit Antil and Avni Lakhera scripted the history by bagging gold medals in javelin throw and shooting respectively. We congratulate all these athletes of our country for creating history in the field of sports. This year, let us celebrate National Sports Day virtually as due to COVID pandemic restrictions, it is not possible for us to celebrate it in grand level in school. On this occasion, I hope that we all will go in the pursuit of good health and become more fitter, more healthier and more happier. You we all will develop interest in any one games or sports and will study the history of our favorite sports and about our sports persons. A very happy National Sports Day to all of you. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers, seniors, juniors, and my dear students. It's an immense pleasure to be with you on the occasion of National Sports Day, which we are celebrating this year on 115th birth anniversary of legendary Major Dhyan Chand. It is always a pleasure for an individual to be the part of Alumna. I had completed my schooling from various Kendriya Vidyalayas at Gwalior and Jhansi. During my school time, I had represented in national level from Bhopal region, and I also participated at regional level in football, hockey, and kho-kho. Today, whatever I am here, just because of the hard work made by my teachers, especially the physical education teachers, which I came across at various Kendriya Vidyalayas. After completing my +2 in commerce with math stream from KV number 1 Gwalior, I had joined Naseem National Institute of Physical Education Gwalior in the year 1994. I had completed my bachelor degree in the year 1997. I had also did my master degree from the same institution in the year 1999 and pursued my regular PhD under the guidance of Dr. A.K. Uppal and Datta sir, and with the specialization in hockey. And at present, I am working as a associate professor at the same institution, Lakshmi National Institute of Physical Education. Dear students, games and sports are of great importance for every individual. But in case of children, it is of immense significance as most of the physical and mental growth of individual take place at childhood only. Students should be encouraged to take part in the games and sports of their own choice, and may also be encouraged to act part in the leisure activities which may lead to their overall development, which is also known as holistic development of individuals. Children must avoid spending too much time on mobile TV and laptops or other electronic gadgets. Parents should give proper attention to the children to control the activities on these electronic gadgets. In fact, parents should give test sports to an individual or to a kid to be healthy and fit, not merely for the competitive purpose, just for the maintaining the health of the individual. At present, we all are going through a very hard time due to COVID-19. It is not only the India which is suffering from this pandemic, but the whole world is suffering from it. At present, the only preventive action for this disease is through developing the immunity. And the development of the immunity can take place with active participation in various physical activities. The best possible activity which can lead to the strong immunity system are running, jogging, push-up, pull-up, sit-up, planks, aerobics, cycling, yoga, and etc. Others can be done. But these activities should be done with the guidance of supervisor and keeping the COVID-related issues in mind. I would like to request students to take activities to be healthy and fit forever. Once the individuals are healthy and fit, then the nation should be always happy. At last, I would like to request each and every one of you that you should learn the lesson from the life of Major Dhyan Chand. He had hard work for throughout the life, and at the last he had achieved whatever he wanted. I would like to thank all the authorities of KVS who had given me the opportunity to share my views in front of my respected teachers, seniors, juniors, and loving students. At last, I would like to say, pain is temporary, but victory is permanent. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जिंदगी का खेल आसान नहीं होता, पर मेहनत करने वाला परेशान नहीं होता। नमस्कार सभी को, मैं विपिन कुमार, स्पोर्ट्स कोच, केंद्रीय विद्यालय बागमथा। आज मैं आपको खेल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में कुछ बातें बताना चाहता हूँ कि खेल दिवस क्यों मनाया जाता है। 29 अगस्त को राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के रूप में हम मनाते हैं। राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के दिन हम जितने भी खेल कूद के अवार्ड्स होते हैं वो राष्ट्रपति द्वारा दिए जाते हैं। 29 अगस्त 1905 को मेजर ध्यानचंद जी का जन्म हुआ। उनके जन्म दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में हम राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। मेजर ध्यानचंद जी एक राजपूत परिवार में इनका जन्म हुआ। 22 वर्ष की आयु में इन्होंने दिल्ली में ब्राह्मण रेजिमेंट में भर्ती हो गए और दिल्ली रहने लगे। यहाँ श्रेय रेजिमेंट के एक मेजर तिवारी ने इन्हें हॉकी खेलने के लिए प्रेरित किया और उनकी देखरेख में इन्होंने हॉकी खेलना शुरू कर दिया। पहले ये सेना में ही खेला करते थे, फिर जब सेना के बाद इनकी प्रसिद्धि बढ़ी तो इन्होंने अंतर्राष्ट्रीय टीम का हिस्सा हुए। मेजर ध्यानचंद जी ने 1928, 1932, 1936 ओलंपिक में टीम का हिस्सा रहे और गोल्ड मेडल जीतने में बहुत भूमिका निभाई। मेजर ध्यानचंद एक बार जापान गए और वहाँ खेलते हुए इस प्रकार से खेल रहे थे जैसे स्टिक में चुम्बक हो, बॉल और स्टिक का बैलेंस ऐसा था। तो कुछ लोगों ने वहाँ ये कहा कि इनकी हॉकी स्टिक में चिमक लगी हुई है, तो इसकी जांच हुई, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था। ऐसे ही एक बार हॉलैंड में मैच चल रहा था, तो बॉल इस प्रकार से चिपकी हुई थी इनकी स्टिक से कि फिर वहाँ लोगों ने कहा कि इनकी हॉकी स्टिक में गोंद लगा है, तो फिर जांच हुई तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिला। जब मेजर ध्यानचंद हॉकी खेला करते थे तो विपक्षी टीम के खिलाड़ी उनके खेल कौशल को देखने में मशहूर हो जाते थे और दर्शक आते थे, वो बहाई की तारीफ किया करते थे। एक बार का किस्सा मैं आपको बताता हूँ। जब मेजर ध्यानचंद जर्मनी में एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मैच खेलने के लिए गए, तो मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में वहाँ के तानाशाह शासक हिटलर मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में आए और ध्यानचंद जी की सुप्रसिद्धि उन्होंने सुन रखी थी। इसके बाद उनसे परिचय करते हुए उन्होंने बोला कि ध्यानचंद जी, आप हमारी जर्मनी से हॉकी खेलो और हम आपको अपनी सेना में मेजर का पद दे देंगे। तो ध्यानचंद जी ने इस बात पर कहा कि मैं भारत से खेलने में अपने आप को गौरवान्वित समझता हूँ और उन्होंने कहा कि भारतीय सेना में मेरा मेजर के पद पर ही कार्यरत हूँ। इसके बाद ध्यानचंद को फुटबॉल में पेले और क्रिकेट में ब्रैडमैन के समतुल्य माना जाता है। इन्होंने अपने जीवन काल में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय गोल 400 से ऊपर किए और 201 गोल इन्होंने केवल ओलंपिक में ही किए हैं। ये एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है। 1956 में भारत द्वारा इन्हें पद्म भूषण से सम्मानित किया गया। पद्म भूषण से सम्मानित किया गया। और इन्होंने हॉकी की सुप्रसिद्धि के कारण ही पन्नोत्री अपना मेजर से सूबेदार हुए, सूबेदार से मेजर हुए और ये 3 दिसंबर 1849 को दिल्ली में इनकी मृत्यु हो गई। इनके मरणोपरांत भारत में 29 अगस्त को राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। खेल से हम भी प्रसिद्धि पा सकते हैं और खेल हमारे दैनिक जीवन में बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण लगता है। खेल के द्वारा ही हम अपनी फिटनेस और स्वास्थ्य को रह सकते हैं। हमें खेल, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, योगा अपने डेली रूटीन में अपनाना चाहिए। इसी बात को कहते हुए मैं अपने शब्दों को विराम देता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
I, Yogesh Kumar, student of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Bal Mathura, will provide my feedback on COVID-19 fitness at home. We all know that being fit in this COVID-19 pandemic time is very difficult. Being locked in our homes and being fit after it is really difficult. But with my past experience, I can say that the impressive measures and programs of our school, such as proper physical exercises and online yoga classes, on daily basis helped us to stay fit and healthy. It was only possible by the efforts of our respected sports teachers and proper guidance of our respected principal madam. In this pandemic situation, it is an opportunity for us to improve our mental health and fitness. Encouragement by our respected principal madam and our teachers are helping us reduce our mental stress. The implementation of government program, that is Fit India movement, is being very well coordinated by our school administration and respected sports coaches. Thank you.